Honestly, if you know the benefits of scrubbing your skin with coconut husks, you will never sleep on it. This is a natural exfoliant that is packed with lots of benefits that can help to improve your skin tone without any side effects. Now, if you want to learn how you can use this coconut husks, let's get down to business. Hi friend, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. In this video today, I'll be teaching how to make an effective body scrub that can help to slough off dead skin cells and leave your skin radiant and supple. Now to make this, here are the requirements. The first thing you need is a body wash, and for the body wash you can use any body wash of your choice, and if you don't have body wash you can substitute with aloe vera gel, which is pure aloe vera gel. And also the next thing you need is extra virgin olive oil. And if you don't have extra virgin olive oil, you can substitute with coconut oil. Now adding extra virgin olive oil is important because it helps for hydration, because it's an emollient, which means it helps to lock in moisture and also prevent skin dryness. So it leaves your skin feeling soft, supple and hydrated, especially after exfoliation. So that makes it very essential. Now moving on, the next ingredient you need is rice powder. And for the rice powder is also important because it contains natural enzymes that helps to brighten the skin and also even out skin tone. And just in case you're wondering why I added body wash into this, number one, it will help to create a slurry effect for easy scrub, and also for the extra ingredients that we added into the scrub, adding body wash will help for easy rinse. It's also important because the ingredients that they use to produce body wash, which are the surfactants, helps to remove dirt, sweat and oil, and also it helps to leave the skin feeling clean and refreshed. So this is just to say that adding body wash can also help to improve the effectiveness of your body scrub, but it's totally optional. You can do without it. But if you're not adding face wash or body wash, please make sure to add aloe vera juice. It also contains exfoliating properties that can also improve the effectiveness of your body scrub. So that's it. Now moving on, the next ingredient you need is sea salt. Now I love this part. You see this particular ingredient when it comes to body scrub. Sea salt is really good. It contains magnesium, which helps reduce inflammation and also improve hydration. It contains lots of benefits, and it also contains potassium, which adds moisture and balance the minerals, and also it helps to replenish the skin during exfoliation. It contains lots of benefits, so please do make your research to know more about the benefits of sea salt and other ingredients that we're using here. Now the next ingredient to have here is orange peel powder. Now this is also an essential ingredient. You can either use orange peel powder or you can use lemon peel powder. It contains exfoliating properties. It also helps to lighten skin, which makes it very essential. Honestly, if you want to lighten your skin with body scrub, you must make sure to add all these lightening agents or all these natural lightening agents. They can help to naturally lighten your skin without any side effect or discoloration. Now the next thing I added was lemon peel powder. So I used both orange peel powder and lemon peel powder, but you can do with just one. Now the next ingredient you need is baking soda, which is also known as sodium carbonate. So if you have baking soda, add it, especially if you have discolorations like dark elbow, dark knees, dark patches, dark spots, any sort of discoloration. You need sodium carbonate. It will help to slough off those dead skin cells to reveal a radiant skin tone. Now the next ingredient I have here is turmeric powder. Now this part is totally optional because some persons are allergic to turmeric. So if you're allergic to turmeric powder, you can do without this part. But I'm adding it because it also contains lots of benefits that can also help to improve the benefits of this body scrub, and that is why I said you can make your research. So after watching the video, you can make your research to know the benefits of all the ingredients that we're using here. These are all natural exfoliants that can help to improve your skin tone and also improve hydration on your skin. So the thing I added now is the same body wash that I added earlier, so I had to add a little bit more to improve the texture. So that's it. So like I said earlier, make a reset. These are all natural ingredients that can help to tone your skin, and also they are all natural exfoliants. And believe when I tell you that exfoliating your skin is one of the best way to achieve a radiant skin tone. Exfoliation is very important, so that's why you need natural exfoliants like this to improve your body scrub, and also to help to improve your skin tone and hydrate your skin. So that's it. Now after that, you can transfer it into an airtight container where you can store it, and you can use it from there whenever you need to. Now here comes the exciting part of this. Remember earlier I talked about using coconut hooks as a body scrub. Like, this is a game changer. Even if not using it with the body scrub we just made now, you can use only these coconut hooks with your soap, which is your natural your normal body soap or your normal bathing soap. And trust me when I tell you that this is a natural exfoliant that can help to exfoliate your skin and get rid of dead skin cells. It contains lots of benefits that can also help to heal your skin. Trust me when I tell you this, you can make your research. This is a game changer, honestly. I really don't know how to say this or how to explain it for you to understand it. Now, just in case you don't know what coconut hooks is the brown fibrous layer beneath the green outer skin of coconut. I use this to scrub my skin 3 times in a week, and sometimes I use it throughout the week because I love the feeling. After scrubbing my skin with this, it makes me feel very clean, and mostly at night after scrubbing my skin with this, I sleep peacefully and I feel refreshed. I really don't know how to explain it. I think you need to experience it to understand what I'm trying to explain here. So that's it. Now, what do you understand as a healthy skin? Most of you think that a fair skin is a healthy skin. When you see someone fair, you think that their skin is healthy probably because they are fair. No, a dark person can also have a healthy skin. Now, it all boils down to what you feed your skin. Bleaching your skin is very bad for your skin, and also using all sort of chemicals to bleach your skin or to achieve a fair or radiant skin tone can also affect your natural skin pH. So that's why it's important to use natural ingredients, and also make sure that you're using it the right way. So that's it. So for a healthy skin, is a skin with good barrier function, hydrated, moisturized, free of rough patches, bumps, or flaky areas, a uniform skin. That is how to identify a healthy skin. It doesn't need to be fair for you to classify it as healthy. No matter your skin color, all you need to do is to feed your skin with the right food, and also stay hydrated and moisturized. So that's it. Now, looking at the body scrub, you can see that after using this scrub to scrub my hand, you can see the glow. Like, you can see how my skin is shining already. And for some time now, I haven't really scrubbed my skin because I've been busy with work. So I just made this, and I can't wait to use it, especially the coconut hooks. I can't wait to use it, honestly. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're just joining me for the first time, my name is Gift, and I'm super excited to welcome you to the Gifting family. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and also turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the first to watch my next video. And at the end of this video, do not forget to share this video to your friends, and also leave a comment down below. And now to my beautiful, wonderful, and amazing gift team, thank you for always being here. God bless you. So guys, I'll see you on my next video, but before then, Stay blessed and keep loving one another. Bye, friends.